Welcome back to the Pinyin Project. I'm Alex. We've mastered greetings and introductions, we're becoming social butterflies.
And I'm Jess. Now that I know what Demingzi. Shh. I need to know how to get food. My priority is sustenance. Alex, what are we learning today?
Today, we unlock the single most essential survival skill, ordering food and drinks. Specifically, we're conquering the cafe. When ordering, we need to state our demand clearly. The core phrase for I want is 我要.
Wayao. That's simple enough. Does it sound rude, like I want can sometimes sound in English?
Not at all. In a restaurant or cafe setting, 我要 is perfectly normal, efficient, and polite enough. It's the standard way to express your choice.
Fantastic. So, I just need to say, 我要, followed by the item I want.
Exactly. And to make it sound even smoother, we often add the quantifier. eBay, meaning 1 cup of. Let's start with the basics. If you're dying for a caffeine fix, you need cafe.
Coffee. That's a gift to learners, it sounds just like coffee.
Next, if you prefer a calming brew, you ask for cha.
Cha. And if I'm trying to be healthy, the most important word. Shui, which is water.
Excellent. Let's put it together. If I want a cup of tea, I say, 我要一杯茶.
And if I am truly desperate, I say. 我要水. Okay, Alex, here's where it gets complicated. I never want a lukewarm beverage. How do I specify hot or cold?
That's easier than you think. We just put the adjective before the noun, using the particle. Da. To connect them. Hot is. Rada.
Reda. So, a hot coffee is. Reda coffee.
Perfect. And for those scorching summer days, cold or iced is, bingda.
Bingda. Okay, so my complete order, which is a cold coffee, would be. 我要一杯冰的咖啡.
10 out of 10, Jess. You sound like a local that you've placed your perfect order. Now you need to know the damage. To ask how much is this? You use the phrase 多少钱?
多少钱? That is a lifesaver. I can use that everywhere.
You absolutely can. 多少 means how much / many, and 钱 is money.
Got it. Okay, I pay, and they hand me my Bing de Cafe. Time to use our courtesy words from episode 1.
You know the drill. As you take the item, you say, 谢谢.
And the cashier might reply, Bukeki, or you're welcome. It all connects.
Let's finish with a full role play, Jess. You're the customer, I'm the cafe worker. Ni hao. Ni yao shen mi. It is mean what do you want?
我要一杯冰的咖啡.
How da?
多少钱?
Liu shi kuai.
谢谢.
Success. You just ordered a drink and paid for it entirely in Chinese.
I'm so proud of myself. Listeners, your homework is to memorize 我要 plus temperature and drink.
Practice this week, and maybe try to order a drink in person. Join us next time for more Pinyin fun. Everyone. Zaijian. Review time. Try to repeat after me, pausing and rewinding as needed to remember it. 我要 eBay Cafe Cha Shui 我要一杯茶。我要水的。热的。热的咖啡。冰的。我要一杯冰的咖啡。多少钱？你要什么？好的。60块。